Hey, this is Mark, and today I've got an iPhone 6S with a damaged SIM tray. So that is quite damaged. They really did a number on that. So I normally don't take these in unless there's obvious physical damage. And I don't really keep the SIM readers in stock. So we're going to harvest one. So I've got a nice good SIM reader here that we're going to take off and swap over to the board with the damaged reader. So we're just going to let that warm up a bit on the preheater. There we go. That's yours. Yep. All right. So now we're going to go back over all these joints and change this lead-free solder out for some leaded. We're going to try to flatten down these torn up anchor points. All right, so first I'm going to wick these pads, then I'll tin them with some leaded solder. Oh boy, and there is a call. All right, they're just going to have to wait for a minute. Back to the task at hand. Pretty simple, straightforward job, this SIM reader replacement. But the reason I tend to not take these is because most of the time what you find is that the SIM reader was damaged while the person was troubleshooting some other underlying board level baseband fault. However, I do make exceptions if it's kind of a like my SIM tray got stuck in there, and while I was trying to yank it out, I bent the pins. As long as there's no history of, this. Give me 1 minute. As long as there's no history of this board having service issues, and that's why they were taking the SIM in and out. As long as that isn't the case, then I'll give it a shot. All right. Um, I will in just a minute, but I'm almost done with this repair, and then I can help you out. Wait, it is not easy sometimes trying to juggle being the stay-at-home dad and getting the repairs done. Okay. That should do it. So I just want to kind of inspect, make sure that these joints are good. See, I'm not happy with these back joints, so I'm going to go over this again real quick. I'll just add a little bit of flux in here. Give me a minute, please. All right. Now let's have a look. That looks much better. Good joints all around. So that's going to work. Just want to hit this front corner joint one more time real quick. Okay, now we are truly done. All right, so that is the end of that. Another repair done. Thanks for watching.